First of all, you'll take a small piece of black color and then just rub it into the in your copy to get a space like this. One side only you draw the part which will be considered as a trunk. Again we are going to do the same thing repeatedly like this. See how? Because we are showing it step by step. A stepwise study of a tree, how you can do it, but it is with a dark color. We have taken dark pastel, black. Now I am taking the color which is sap green. Dark green it is considered as. Now you give me the color of light green and fluorescent, then I'll show you the effect on dark. Yes, if I do light green over it, see the colors. Night time drawing a scenery and the trees, it will look like a bit darker. Evening, night. So this is the way to do at night. If you see a tree, the colors will be like this. Always people used to do brown for the trunk and green, light green or dark green shades for the tree leaves. But this way you have not learned, like you have never seen actually this way. That is what you may not be knowing this. So now you came to know that how you can draw a tree which you can see at night time, how it will look.